Want to stay ahead of the market and impress clients with up-to-date trends? In this video, I'll show you how to run a residential market activity search in RPR, fine-tune your area, and get the exact insights you need fast. This is the first in a series of tutorials. In this video, we'll cover how to run a market activity search and define your area. In the next, we'll dive into customizing the market activity report, then explore lead capture strategies and promotional tips. Finally, we'll show you how to build a geographic farm using turnover data and mailing labels. Let's get started. The simplest way to begin your market activity search is to select Research and then choose Residential Market Activity Search. You'll be directed to the Market Activity Search page. Enter the location you want to search. You can add search filters on the right, such as change type or status, property type, price, beds, and baths. To refine your search further, select the More Filters icon for advanced searching options. For example, customize the results by additional property characteristics such as living area, lot size, and year built. Note with the filters expanded, you can view the count of properties in your search results set. This is a great way to narrow down your results before you run your search. Once your criteria has been entered, select Update and Search. Your search results give a good overview of activity in the local real estate market in your particular area. Change your view to a photo grid or map view on the top right of your list results. From the map view, narrow down even further using any of the map drawing tools. Select Draw and use the polygon tool to outline your area, or freehand if you want to draw it yourself. Take your drawing pen and outline your specific neighborhood boundaries, or select Show Geographies to use a preset boundary from the list. Once you've defined your hyper-local area, select the geography and search the area. You can also save this area to easily come back and view again. Now click Create Report. Choose the Beta Market Activity template. Title your report. This will show on the actual report, and select Continue. The next video in this series will walk you through all your customization options, but I also want to show you the fastest way to run this report if you aren't looking to make any changes, or you're in a rush and you just want to print this or send it immediately. Even in a rush, I always suggest taking a quick scan of your report. Make sure your cover page has all the info you need and everything looks correct. Now select Run Report. Save it so you can come back later and either copy the dynamic link to send out, email directly to yourself or your client, or download the PDF. Just a note that the download is the only option where this report will not dynamically update every 48 hours when clicked. That's it. Now that you've run a search, let's take it to the next level. In the next video, we'll walk through customizing your market activity report, selecting key insights, and making it truly your own. Also, don't forget to follow RPR on our social networks and subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's one of the best ways to get RPR product and release updates, as well as helpful tips and tricks.